Hello, welcome again. We are covering the subject thermodynamics for civil services mains, IFS, and various gate exams. The next definition in the subject is pressure. So, pressure is the normal force exerted per unit area. So, here, suppose this line represents local atmospheric pressure. Okay. So, now if the pressure of any system is represented by this line, then this would be called as positive gauge pressure, and this is the absolute pressure above atmosphere, and this is a zero line. So local atmospheric pressure is this. So above the local atmospheric pressure, whatever pressure is there, then it is called positive gauge pressure, and total pressure is your positive gauge pressure plus local atmospheric pressure, that is called absolute pressure above atmosphere. So suppose if the pressure is below atmosphere and is represented by this line, okay, so then this pressure is called negative gauge pressure or vacuum pressure, okay, and the total pressure here is represented by this. So this is your absolute pressure below atmosphere pressure. So this is the absolute pressure when the pressure is above atmospheric total pressure, or this is the total pressure when the pressure is below atmosphere, and this is the positive gauge pressure when the pressure is above atmospheric. This is the negative gauge pressure or vacuum pressure when the pressure is below atmosphere. This line is corresponding to atmospheric pressure. So this is the pressure above or below the atmospheric pressure is called gauge pressure. When it is positive, it is positive gauge pressure. When it is negative, it is negative gauge pressure or vacuum pressure. And the total pressure at any place is called absolute pressure. When it is above the atmospheric pressure, then this is absolute pressure. When it is below the atmospheric pressure, then this is your absolute pressure. Okay. So here, how to measure pressure? Suppose we have a pipe in which the liquid is flowing, then pressure is P is maintained, and so we want to measure this, and we have this fluid to measure different fluid, and the density is suppose rho. So then this pressure is balanced along this, okay, and above this the height is Z. So total pressure here is P naught plus rho G Z, P naught plus rho G, and total pressure here is P. So both are balanced. So P will be P naught plus rho G Z. So that is the way to measure pressure. And this is your local atmospheric pressure. This is your these line, and this line represents absolute pressure. This is positive gauge pressure. This is your negative gauge pressure.